download data from Thomson onebank Excel in, mainly just a quick demonstration on how to download the price information first. Another demonstration, I'm going to show you how to construct a portfolio, etc. So here, this is a Thomson onebank in 2007 and 2010 office. These are the menu bars. So if you want to download time series price, click price here. Other information actually can do it through report. We will do it in another demonstration as well. So in this interface, mainly you just check whatever you want in the daily prices, so high, low, close, volume, market capitalization. Normally we just choose close and market cap and volume. Those are the information you may want. Then the second thing is what company you want. So normally we add entities. Here you can either download the portfolio which you already set up, save it on the internet. For example, I'm going to show you how to do this, construct a portfolio later on, but those are the possibility you can choose. For example, I choose A&H share, which I in one of my studies, so this is all the company. Alternatively, you can type in, for example, if you want to say BT group, and we just search. So we can search company, this BT PLC. So once you double click it, it's gone there. So if you say OK, so now it's all 57 entity in the list. It will download all the data for those companies. And then what else? Then you can choose whether you want to include those interest rate. The important thing is about period. So this is like what is the most recent period. If we choose daily, then that would be yesterday. That's fine. Or you can choose like 10 years. Or alternatively, you can choose a particular day, like that is today, and this is like let's say select it today, but you want it to be 10 years ago, then you just change this to be 01. So we want 10 years data, but in this demonstration I'm going to make it short, so let's just 1 year data, that's enough to show. Again, make sure your entity is like slightly less than 2257 line. Okay, so now once you can also then looking at the project set, yeah, you can choose the day, but normally leave everything as it is, and then just click finished. Then it will start doing. If you ask whether you want to save, normally we say yes, but I don't want to save it, and it start doing this 57 3 data and 2061 column. If later on the format come out, the data come out, actually the format is not what you like, you may consider actually doing one at a time, like do the close first and then do the volume and do the market in different spreadsheets. Okay, so once that done, this is how it looks. All the company's information, closing price, then it will be the market cap and etc. So it will format like this way. Then you need to either import it into SAS or do it manually, manipulate it in Excel. The other way of downloading data is using report. Then you can download various information, for example book to market, etc. So here, for example, we say we want to have a book value per share, or let's say price to book ratio. If we select that one, so there's something specific, you can choose from even different data source. This is just one example. And then we want the companies, we say entity, we still do the same set of a company we just did. For example, those are my portfolio, and I could do A&H share. That's it, and then I say OK. In the book to whatever value in the past 3 years, that's good enough. So we're finished, and we don't want to save it, and that's it. Instantly, the book to market ratio is here. Hope you understand this. If you have questions, just email me, Charlie, Charlie Guy.